Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure for me to welcome you here on behalf of Qatar Airways. I would like to welcome some very special guests. First of all, the governing mayor of Berlin, Klaus Wowereit. Guten Morgen. His Excellency, Mr. Akbar Al Baker, Chief Executive Officer, Qatar Airways.
Today is a day we have been anticipating for a long time. For the first time here at ITB Berlin, ladies and gentlemen, we show you and the rest of the world the first class seat on board Qatar Airways Airbus A380. This is, of course, Qatar Airways' latest product. It will be flying on our A380s. This is the widest first-class seat in the industry. This is semi-privacy, so a passenger can lower the screen if it's flying with a companion, and if it is not, this screen can be put up again. And in the sleeping position, you could have privacy by putting the screen up and putting the seat to a completely flat position. It is very comfortable, and we have a second passenger can sit on this seat. This control is giving you seat functions. So it is touch screen to do. Other than this, it has memories here, which will then control the seat with memory positions, including you have several positions of massage that you can have. And over here you have a very wide table, which is designed so that you and your companion can sit and have a meal together. It also has another feature in the armrest, which gives you the controller for the IFE system. It is an upgraded IFE system. It is the most sophisticated IFE system, including 27 inches flat TV screen. And this gives you a feature where you can true call bell, the lights, and you can have an air show on this. And you have a small wardrobe where you can store your handbag and hang your jacket. You have your slipper and your amenity kit. This is the new 380 first class seat. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to have you around here for our news briefing every year at this time at ITB. This is the first images that we are introducing to the press of the first class cabin of the A380.